Good morning, everybody. Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to work on getting the wood out of the room from yesterday that I demoed, and then I'm going to keep on demoing some of that wood out of there. So hopefully I can get the next two walls done and then be ready for the ceilings. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your comments in the comment section. And then once we're done with today's video, go check out some of the other content and get caught up on what we got going on out here at the farmhouse and the property. So All right, everybody, Bigfoot here. That's gonna be a wrap for today. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. So in today's video, we were able to get both walls completely demoed. So that was the last of the 4 walls. And the next day I'll be able to get on it. Might not be tomorrow, but I'm gonna get on the ceilings, go ahead and expose that, figure out what's going on with electrical, and a wall that is potentially not load bearing. The way they put it in, it looks a little bit odd, but I'll be able to tell a little bit more once I have the ceiling pulled out, and we'll go from there. So appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content and enjoy the show. Appreciate it.